Hi, my name is Abraham Epen. I'm the licensed clinical psychologist. My pronouns are he, his, and him. I would like to invite you to our virtual self-guided comprehensive depression management workshop. The focus of this workshop is on COVID-19, but the resources, tools can also be applied to managing some of the symptoms related to depression. This is a comprehensive program. We have integrated information and resources on nutrition. Our staff members from GVSU Rec Center also helped us with providing information and resources on physical activity and yoga. Please be mindful that the workshops are not intended to be used as a diagnostic tool or a treatment for personal mental health concerns. If you have any concerns regarding depression, please do not hesitate to contact the counseling center. We can be reached at 616-331-3266. Thank you.